This is how to set a master passcode on the Yale lock. So first of all, you need to swipe over the front to activate the
Register
keypad.
master code. Press the gear key to continue.
Okay, so basically you just need to push the gear key.
Enter a 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Press the gear key to continue.
So you enter a PIN code. In this case, we'll make it 5556. So 1, 2, 3. Then push the gear key.
Registered.
Okay.
Factory reset completed. Touch the keypad for handing lock.
Okay, so if we touch the keypad now, door will lock.
Handing lock completed.
Right, so if we want to open the door now, if we put in the master passcode, it will work. So, and then push the key. That'll open the door. And to shut the door, you can either shut the door and then do this, or you can do it right now, where you just put play on with it, and that locks it. And that's how you enter the master passcode.